Coco that bad bird. Gonna take him and eat him.
See, you're going too fast.
Where you going, Coco? Coco. Eat it up. Eat it. Eat that bad bird.
Got it. Got that bird. Hey, Mom, look. Got the bird. You're backing me into the corner. What do you have, little missy miss?
Coffee's.
Yeah,
I won't play with
coffee's
her.
like, what is the big deal? Oh, I get lost in the dark.
You're not gonna let that bird fly, are you?
I got this bird. I am so not letting go of this bird.
Go, be.
Go, Daddy, go.
Coco bean.
Walk in and out. Coco.
What you got, Coco bean?
Got the
Coco
bird.
bean.
I got the bird.
What you gonna do with that bird?
I got the bird. Oh, hi, Coffee. Oh, where'd she go? Oh, she lost it.
An island located just southwest of Luzon.
Uh-oh.
Many people call Palawan the Philippines' final frontier. It's still largely undeveloped. The province highlands are peppered with rainforests and a
Proud of having that bird.
landscape of
Coco
beaches
that
and
bad
coves.
bird.
Oh, into the tent. Go inside your teepee with a bird.
The provincial capital
Arr.
serves the region's commercial hub.
Got it.
The
And my
rain-drenched
teeth.
day doesn't dampen my enthusiasm to explore this small city. And as the market shows, like Palawan,
Oh, oh, wait.
every day, the aisles in this market swell to near capacity as locals and visitors from the far ends of the island converge to stock up on supplies, grab
Got that bird.
and catch up with friends.
Got
Joe.
that bird.
Good job, Coco. Bird got away from him for a minute.
Squash, eggplant, papayas, bananas,
Oh, teach this bird a
potatoes,
lesson.
unbelievable.
Oh, teach this bird.
I'm going to drown it.
Put it in my teeth. Give it a spanking.
Street food vendors
Coco, where you
also
going?
have all kinds of sophisticated
Going back here. Oh, going back her.
Can I play with the bird?
popular snacks in the
Huh?
Philippines, especially in this part of the world, are the banana cues, which essentially are bananas that are rolled and wound
She just, I got it. I'm not taking this bird from me.
That crunch is the caramelized sugar
Good.
crust.
Back into the teepee.
Bananas, tree ripened bananas, not the kind seen on the shelf in the grocery store. This is like Bananas Foster without the snooty waiter and the big copper flambe pan.
Oh, there goes your teepee.
Just across from the banana cue stand, there's a vendor serving another unique Filipino specialty on a stick. Those are chicken
Filipino specialty on a stick. I'm scared of that.
After you walk them and you get your choice of sauces. Sour, spicy, or sweet, kind of like a sweet fondue. While fried chicken intestines
Woo!
sound
Woo!
unappetizing,
Let Mom get out of the way.
and here, almost every part of the animal is eaten.
Bird is sick.
Yeah, I bet it is. You beat the crap out of it.
So in this market, there are hundreds of vendors, all of whom are selling raw fish, from chops to ham steaks to bacon
Head, oh.
to luxury cars.
Good gravy.